So we got a call for a truck that is stuck in the mud out here to Sand Hollow, maybe wet sand. I don't know, stuck in the lake. We're gonna see if we can get them out. What do we got for the weather today?
It's beautiful. It's a little cooler than usual and I love it.
We got Colin and Peanut and Carter back here. So we're bringing 2 rigs to make sure we've got enough power to pull this truck out of the hole that it's in. We got Hefe driving the Banana. He's got Rhett and Max and Lady back there.
I'm Rhett.
We're currently in the Banana. We're following Matt, who's in the Morrvair, out to get some kind of truck out of the mud, which...
The power stroke, I think.
So we're gonna go see if we can help Matt get him out. Wish us luck. Hello.
I think you can pull it out with just the Morrvair.
There's not a chance that the Morrvair will pull that out by itself, in my opinion.
Oh, it is mud.
Yeah.
It's not sand.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
You know, we about backed right in there 3 days ago, so.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, almost did the same thing.
No, but I don't think it's that bad.
Little stuck, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna be using a snatch block. Oh, that tractor stuck? All right.
Oh, that water stinks.
Jump in there and slowly just put it in reverse and dig down a little bit.
Okay.
That's good right there. All right, we need everybody back about 40 feet that way.
Off the hood.
All right, you 4 low. Give it just a little bit of gas. Okay, you're completely off the top. That back tire spinning?
Yeah.
Yep, back left.
We need more weight. Don't have enough lead today.
That should be good. Hey, come here.
Second brake. Gear, yeah. We may have to have someone sitting in here with brakes on. It's hard to say.
Hey. That thing is tall.
This truck is small. It's not like making a small dog.
Disconnect them.
What was your name?
Jason.
Jason, thank you. Yeah, Matt. But yeah, stick around. We're not done yet.
We still got to try and get that tractor out, so we might need you to anchor.
Yeah, you grew about 4 feet.
I know, I was in the water and now I can't even step out of this truck without falling.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
I think Get you right here, Hefe. I want you right there.
So, do you know how to hook up a soft shackle?
Let's get 2 soft shackles on there because I don't think one's gonna go around that axle.
Okay.
All right, here's your second one. Make sure the nest is right down there. Yeah. So just don't overrun. If it starts going, just let us pull you for a second.
Go ahead and put it in neutral, or do you want me to start?
Start it up and put it in gear. Alright, that wasn't too bad. That one was just sectioned in by the wheels where the truck was like laying. The axles were in the mud, the frame was laying on it. If you're wondering where you can get a nifty winch line like that, it's freedomwinchline.com.
We're gonna see if we can raise that.
I think we ought to be on the start.
He didn't hold on to all the way to the floor. He'd have been to the shop by now. That is a fast Cherokee right there. All right, so we got out there. We were actually headed out there for one job. We ended up with 2. Both of them went fairly easy. We did have some help. Big thank you to those of you that helped us by putting a little more lead on her bumper. Appreciate that. That sure helps. What do you think, Jamie?
I think that truck, actually both of them, it amazes me how much they sink. Because when you started pulling me out, I was like level with the rope because I was watching how tight it was. And then I just kept going higher and higher and higher, and pretty soon the rope was like way lower than me.
So we got a call for a razor out of the sand dunes that has a burn up belt. So we're gonna go get it out. I'm driving the Morrvair. It's been a minute since I've been on a recovery. We got Ed with the weather.
Yeah, it's cloudy today, a little rain, no wind, about 75 degrees, pretty nice day. If Lizzie can find it, we'll get it out.
We sure will. And since it's been raining, the sand dunes are gonna be a lot better to drive in. We also got Trevor, Skeeter, and Peanut back there.
They're gonna be a lot easier to run in too.
Oh, for sure, 100%.
Just smells like a wet peanut back here.
Have fun with that. I'm in the front seat today. We're just gonna head up the water tank road and try and find it.
You can't see anything. You gotta go up on the cliff and look. There it is. Where is it? Oh, there it is.
Oh, well, that's easy. Alrighty, so Skeeter found the razor. So we're gonna head down there, try and find it again for the second time, and pull it on out. Oh, there it is. Somewhere here.
This is right.
Hopefully I'll be able to get that back out.
This is not a light one. They say razor, a plethora of different things that could mean. Come here, Peanut, get up on here. Peanut likes to go for rides with me.
She does.
Hey, where'd you get that from?
MattsOffroadRecovery.com.
Where's yours, Peanut?
Hey, where's your Matt's off-road sweater?
So the plan is, I'm gonna go look at it, but I'm thinking I'm just gonna go off down into here and then keep it and just go straight up. Sound like a plan, Trevor?
Yeah.
How was that run?
I don't know what you said, but that's an awesome plan.
And now we just take the easy trip on home down the Water Tank Road.
Hey, Lizzie! Losing my brakes! I don't have any brakes.
Let's just take it slow, try and pump them.
I'm going in the no brake vehicle so I can panic. Just got a little bit warm there, Trevor. Just gotta pump them a little. They'll cool down.
How's the ride been, Skeeter?
Not bad, not bad. These aren't as cushy as a Razor. You know, these are kind of more, you can play in them, but the Generals are more of like a work vehicle.
A general purpose vehicle?
Exactly. It's the entire internet.
Well, that was that, and we got the Razor back to the customer. How was riding in that thing, Skeeter?
Real nice. Brakes got a little warm though.
Well, we found it finally after a couple turns and a little sprinkles, but got them out and they were happy. Thanks for watching.
The bear went over the mountain.
In this case, it was the Morrvair went over the mountain.
The Morrvair went over the mountain.